Tired of project chaos and communication breakdowns derailing your business? Today, we're diving into how companies just like yours are using 37 Signals Basecamp to streamline their operations, boost productivity, and keep everyone on the same page. First up, let's imagine a marketing agency tackling a website redesign for a client. They'd create a dedicated Basecamp project called Website Redesign, acting as a central hub for all related activities. Within this project, they'll use to-do lists to break down the project into manageable tasks like content creation, design mockups, and development, assigning each task to a specific team member with clear deadlines. Basecamp's message board replaces endless email threads, becoming the go-to place for discussing design concepts, sharing feedback on different website versions, and making key decisions transparent to everyone involved. The schedule feature keeps everyone aligned by visually displaying deadlines for each task, as well as important project milestones, ensuring the website launch stays on track. For daily progress updates, the agency utilizes Basecamp's automatic check-ins, prompting team members with specific questions like, "What did you work on today?" Or "Are there any roadblocks preventing you from completing your tasks?" allowing project managers to quickly identify and address any issues. So, whether you're a small startup or a large enterprise, Basecamp provides the tools needed to conquer project management, improve team communication, and create a more organized and efficient workflow.